You've mastered the essentials, and your designs are taking shape. But what if SOLIDWORKS could help you work faster, collaborate more effectively, and deliver with complete confidence? That's where SOLIDWORKS Professional steps in. SOLIDWORKS Professional builds on the power of Standard, unlocking advanced tools that take your design process to the next level by giving you the capabilities you need to deliver faster, stay consistent, and reduce costly reworks. Design offices thrive on efficiency, and SOLIDWORKS Toolbox provides a managed library of standard parts, removing the need for repetitive modeling. Hardware automatically sizes, positions, and configures itself through a simple drag and drop interface from the configuration managed library, improving consistency across your team and freeing engineers to focus on real design work, not the admin around it. Keeping control of data is one of the biggest challenges for any design team. With SOLIDWORKS Professional, your collaboration gets a serious upgrade. With PDM Standard, every file is versioned, traceable, and secure. With PDM in place, teams can remain synchronized and secure, while PDM Standard brings structure and discipline to your design process, without adding extra workload. Designs can be brought to life even before production begins. SOLIDWORKS Visualize produces photorealistic images perfect for client approvals, marketing material, bids, or internal reviews. You can make your product seem photoreal before the first prototype has even been produced, helping you communicate ideas clearly and confidently. When a supplier or a customer sends step files, your team shouldn't need to rebuild them from scratch. Feature recognition converts imported parts into fully editable SOLIDWORKS features, saving valuable time and reducing frustration, especially during late-stage changes. As the design office grows, consistency and quality become essential. SOLIDWORKS Professional includes tools built for exactly that. eDrawings Professional improves communication across the business and with suppliers by allowing anyone to review and comment on 3D designs, even without any CAD. Tool Analysis checks tolerance stack-ups automatically, helping your team catch fit issues before they reach production, and Design Checker ensures every drawing meets your company standards, reducing rework and ensuring reliability output across the team. These tools help maintain quality, reduce bottlenecks, and keep your projects moving smoothly. SOLIDWORKS Professional gives teams what they value most: consistency, control, and confidence in their output. Faster workflows, better collaboration, higher quality designs, and fewer errors. Take your design office further with SOLIDWORKS Professional. If you feel like your design team can benefit from this product, please get in touch with us via phone or email. Both can be found on our website. Also, to find out more about the other versions of SOLIDWORKS, please watch our dedicated videos on SOLIDWORKS Premium and Standard.